everyone, I'm Ivy and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be doing a review on this Sea Soul, and this is from the Double S Pro range, and this is the HD Finish CC cream, and it also have SPF 20 and for all skin type. So I have received this in my June Glamigo box, which is priced for 299 rupees, whereas this baby is priced for 650 rupees, and you get 3 more products in the June Glamigo box and you are going to pay half the price of this product. So if you are planning to buy this, you can go for June Glamigo box. So now moving on to the packaging, you can see it's a normal tube thing, and there is the cap and there's a nozzle where you have to squeeze and take out the product, and there is no pump as in the Pond's BB cream. You have to like pump it and take out the product. Here you have to squeeze it. So it's a normal packaging. Now talking about its texture, you can see it has a yellow color texture, yellow color, and it's a creamy texture. And if you want, you can make your consistency by adding a little bit of moisture if you want that type of consistency. So now moving on to the application, it is very easy to apply. You can it is blends very smoothly, and you can see in the demo, which will be next, like how easily you can apply it. You can apply it with your fingers, with your beauty blenders, or with the brush. So it is no fuss to apply it. It has a little bit of fragrance, not a very strong fragrance. It has a tiny fragrance, and which fades away when you apply it. Talking about my experience, I have combo to oily skin, which is acne prone also, but still this formula didn't made my skin break out, and the color is perfect. Light is perfect for my skin tones, and you have other color variants also for dusky and dark skin tone. So it easily blends. It does not oxidizes, but still take a little bit of time to settle down on your skin, to set it, and you don't have to like apply an extra concealer or corrector to treat your blemishes or cover your blemishes or your dark circles. So it works as 3-in-1. It don't give you a high coverage, but still give you a sheer coverage, which is still like no makeup look. Still it is covering your dark circles. So I really like that thing. And you have to set it with like, it is important, like you have to set it with powder or compact, because I don't know why it makes me sweat a lot. So it does not give you a white cast also. Like I have used the Lakme CC cream, it gives me a white cast, so does not give me a white cast. So it has last me for 5 to 6 hours when I was out, but I had topped it up with the SPF, more numbers of SPF. So it has SPF of 20, but it's, if you are going out for more time, you have to top it up, or you can apply SPF before applying this with big numbers. So its only con which I found was like it make me sweat a lot, which is stopping me to buy it again. Eitherwise it is a very good product, and if you are like want a 3-in-1 CC cream, so it's a good thing. And my clicks were also nice when I have applied it, so it didn't give me a white cast, which I told you earlier also. So my pics are also good when I had applied this. So I am just applying this, nothing else, but still it is giving me a good coverage. And yeah, this was my review. I hope my video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.